Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. In this video, we will guide you through the process of replacing the motor in your Dyson SV12 vacuum cleaner. This repair can seem daunting, but with the right tools and steps, it can be accomplished easily. Let's get started. Tools needed *. 1. Phillips screwdriver. 2. Flathead screwdriver. 3. Torx screwdriver, T10. 4. Replacement motor for Dyson SV12. 5. Soft brush for cleaning. 6. Compressed air canister, optional. Step 1. Preparation. Before we start, ensure that your Dyson SV12 is unplugged. This is crucial for safety. Gather your tools and find a clean, well-lit workspace. If you're unsure about performing this repair, remember that we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Step 2. Disassemble the vacuum. Using the Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws securing the top cover. Set them aside in a safe place. Once the screws are out, carefully lift the top cover off. You may need to use the flathead screwdriver to gently pry it open if it's stuck. Step 3. Accessing the motor. With the top cover removed, locate the motor housing. This is where we will need the Torx screwdriver. Remove the screws holding the motor housing in place. Keep track of all screws, it's important to use the correct ones when reassembling. Step 4. Removing the old motor. Once the motor housing is free, carefully lift it out. Take a moment to clean any dust and debris from the area using the soft brush and compressed air. This will help your vacuum perform better once reassembled. If you prefer, you can send your vacuum for pickup and delivery at your home for repair, avoiding any hassle. Step 5. Installing the new motor. Now, take your replacement motor and insert it into the motor housing. Make sure it fits snugly and that all connections are secure. This step is crucial for the vacuum's performance. If you have any concerns about the installation, we provide a quote before repair, giving you peace of mind. Step 6. Reassembling the vacuum. Once the new motor is installed, reattach the motor housing with the screws you removed earlier. Then, place the top cover back on and secure it with the Phillips screws. Ensure everything is tightly fastened to avoid any vibrations during use. Step 7. Testing the vacuum. After reassembly, plug in your Dyson SV12 and turn it on. Listen for any unusual sounds and check that it operates smoothly. If you encounter any issues during testing, remember that our professional service can help diagnose any remaining problems. Following these steps will help ensure that your Dyson SV12 runs efficiently again. Regular maintenance and timely repairs can extend the life of your vacuum, so keep it clean and serviced. Thank you for watching. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.